So if you're trying to get back into your Mycelium wallet, the good news is your 12-word recovery seed is really all you need. As long as you wrote it down when you first set up the wallet, you are in pretty good shape. You can either enter the seed phrase straight into Mycelium or use another Bitcoin wallet that supports the same standard. Totally up to you. Just download the app on your phone or computer, hit restore from backup, choose 12 words, and type in your words. Now here's where you got to be careful. The order matters. Swap even 2 words around and the whole phrase falls apart. Same goes for typos. One wrong letter and you're locked out. Oh, and don't throw any commas in there either. Just the words, one after another. Once it accepts the phrase, give it a moment to sync up and boom, you should be back in, with your funds right there waiting for you. But what if the phrase isn't working? If you're missing a word or two, there are ways to brute force the gaps or cross-check against the BIP 39 word list. That's basically the master list of all 2048 words that can make up a recovery phrase. If you're missing more than a handful of words, things get really tricky, even with professional recovery software running on high-powered GPUs. And if you've lost the whole seed phrase, honestly, that's a tough spot. Recovering your bitcoins at that point is usually off the table. If you've already gone through all of this and you're still hitting a wall, reach out to Crypto Recovers. And we will take a look at your situation and give you a straight answer on whether recovery is still doable.